Hello to my super duper Peppa friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig, the Fire Engine.
Booktube Kids.
Mommy Pig is going to the mummy's fire engine practice. It's just a good excuse for a cup of tea and a chat, says Daddy Pig. I am meeting with the daddy's football team and having a barbecue. There's just a lot of grown-up boys kicking a football around, says Mommy Pig. Mommy, can we see the fire engine? Asks Peppa. Fire engine, says George. Yes, Peppa, I'll take you and George, says Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig drives Peppa and George to Miss Rabbit's fire station. Hello, Peppa and George, says Miss Rabbit. Come and see the fire engine. There's a ladder for climbing, says Miss Rabbit. A hose for spreading the water and a big bell to ring. Miss Rabbit takes them into the control room to look for fires. Peppa spots a red fawn and picks it up. Peppa, that's the fire fawn, says Miss Rabbit. It's only to be used when there's a fire. Peppa puts the fawn down. Suddenly, the red phone rings. Miss Rabbit panics. Fire station? Where's the fire? Says Miss Rabbit. Can I speak to Mommy Pig, please? Asks Daddy Pig. It's an emergency. I can't find the tomato ketchup anywhere. Miss Rabbit puts the phone down. How many fires have you actually put out, Miss Rabbit? Asks Mommy Pig. None, replies Miss Rabbit. Not one fire, but you have got to be ready. The red phone rings again. Hello, Daddy Pig, says Miss Rabbit. This phone is only to be used when there's a fire, shouts Daddy Pig. Oh dear, Daddy Pig's barbecue is in fire. Mummy's to the rescue, says Miss Rabbit. Miss Rabbit slides down the pole to the fire engine. Wee, 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 wee. All the mummies slide down the pole. Peppa and George hold tight and slide down the pole too. They all get into the fire engine. Miss Rabbit puts on the siren and drives them to Peppa's house. Nina, Nina, Nina. The fire engine arrives at Peppa's house. Stand back, that is, shouts Miss Rabbit. Mommy Pig and Mommy Sheep hose down the barbecue. The fire is out. Thank you for saving us, Miss Rabbit, says Daddy Pig. No problem. It's all part of the service, says Miss Rabbit. The Mummy's fire engine service, says Mommy Pig. And now that Miss Rabbit has kindly flooded our garden, says Daddy Pig, we can all jump up and down in muddy puddles. I love fire engines, says Peppa, especially when they make muddy puddles.
Booktube Kids.